front of me is Oppo Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to find ThemeSaw app and click on it. Then tap on Home, Category or Search bar to find perfect theme for you. Make sure to tap on Themes at the top. Once you do, just click on it. Hit Download. Select Customize to exclude some options, for example, if you don't want to change your icons, and when you finished, hit Apply. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that theme of my Oppo has changed. Now if you want to go back to the default one, or pick any other theme you downloaded, go back to ThemeSaw and select Me at the bottom right corner. Then hit Themes under My Resources and tap on the one you wanna apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!